Welcome to this exclusive modern house tour, where contemporary design meets refined luxury. In today's episode, we explore the latest modern residential architecture that balances clean lines, thoughtful spatial planning, and elegant materials. This home is not just a structure, but a lifestyle statement crafted to reflect sophistication, comfort, and innovation. As we walk through each space, you'll discover how modern design principles transform everyday living into an extraordinary experience filled with light, texture, and timeless beauty. The architectural concept behind this modern house is rooted in simplicity, balance, and purposeful design. Strong geometric forms are softened by warm natural materials, creating a visually striking yet welcoming presence. The facade emphasizes horizontal lines, large openings, and subtle contrasts that express modern elegance without excess. Every architectural decision is intentional, ensuring that the house feels bold, current, and enduring while seamlessly integrating luxury into its overall identity. The exterior design sets the tone for the entire home. Clean concrete surfaces, natural stone accents, and expansive glass panels work together to create a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. Landscaping plays a vital role, framing the architecture with greenery that adds softness and depth. Thoughtfully designed outdoor lighting enhances textures and forms at night, transforming the house into a glowing architectural statement that feels both exclusive and inviting. As we approach the entrance, the transition from outside to inside feels intentional and dramatic. A tall pivot door, minimalist detailing, and a double-height foyer create a powerful sense of arrival. Natural light pours in, immediately revealing the home's open and airy atmosphere. This entrance is more than a passageway. It is a carefully curated moment designed to impress, welcome, and prepare visitors for the refined spaces that lie beyond. The main living area embodies contemporary luxury through openness, comfort, and visual harmony. An open plan layout connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, allowing seamless interaction between spaces. Neutral tones dominate, layered with premium textures such as marble, wood, and soft fabrics. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, creating a living space that feels expansive, calm, and effortlessly elegant. The kitchen and dining area combine modern functionality with high-end aesthetics. Sleek cabinetry, integrated appliances, and stone countertops reflect a minimalist approach while offering maximum performance. The dining space is designed as a social hub, where design encourages connection and comfort. Subtle lighting, clean lines, and carefully selected materials elevate everyday meals into refined experiences within a beautifully balanced environment. Each bedroom is designed as a private sanctuary, prioritizing comfort, tranquility, and understated luxury. Soft lighting, warm materials, and minimalist furniture create an atmosphere of relaxation. Large windows allow natural light while maintaining privacy through thoughtful orientation and design. The master suite in particular stands out with its spacious layout, walk-in wardrobe, and spa-inspired bathroom that reflects modern living at its finest. The bathrooms continue the theme of contemporary luxury with a spa-like ambience. Natural stone, floating vanities, and frameless glass showers define a clean and refined aesthetic. Carefully designed lighting highlights textures while enhancing relaxation. Every detail, from fixtures to finishes, has been selected to create a sense of calm, transforming daily routines into moments of indulgence and comfort within a modern architectural setting. Modern living extends beyond the interior into beautifully designed outdoor spaces. A terrace, pool area, or private garden becomes an extension of the home's lifestyle. Sliding glass doors allow spaces to open completely, encouraging natural ventilation and visual continuity. Whether for relaxation or entertainment, these outdoor areas reflect contemporary design values while offering luxurious comfort and a strong connection to nature. This latest modern house tour showcases how contemporary design, when thoughtfully executed, can create a luxurious yet livable home. From architectural form to interior details, every element works together to express elegance, comfort, and innovation. This house is a true reflection of modern lifestyle aspirations, where design enhances daily life and luxury is defined by quality, simplicity, and timeless architectural vision. Thank you for joining this tour, and we hope it inspires your own design journey.